Hello everyone, my name is Margarita and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate Composer access keys for Amasty extensions. To install Amasty extensions via Composer, you'd need a pair of access keys, a public key and a private key. They are required to authenticate your Composer request to Amasty's private repository. Access keys are generated at the project level inside your Amasty account. Projects help associate your extensions with specific domains and environments, ensuring proper license management. The access keys can be found in the customer account under the License Registration tab inside your project. If you haven't created one yet, please do so following the instructions from the hint block on the License Registration page. In the My Production Project section, find your project and click the View link. You'll see your Composer access keys, public key and private key, on the Project Details page generated automatically after product creation. If you didn't create a project yourself, but another Amasty account shared the project with you instead, you can also find it in the License Registration tab, but in the Project Shared With Me section. In such shared projects, you have to manually generate your own pair of Composer keys by clicking the Generate New Access Keys button. Please note that Composer access keys in projects provide access to Composer only for the models assigned to the project. Therefore, it is important to ensure that all licenses are assigned to the appropriate projects. You may check all your models in the Products tab of your account. In case the product is not added to the project, as in this example, it won't be available with the project Composer keys. In order to make it available, it is required to assign the model to the project needed. Once done, all you need to do is connect to the Amasty repository, which can be added with the next command. Where path indicates the repository for a specific Magenta edition. It would be one of these links, depending on which model edition you have, Community or Enterprise. Now you may use the Composer keys previously generated to authenticate in the repository. It is possible to manually store the keys in the repository, eliminating the need for authorization every time. Find the Magenta root directory and indicate the following command, where Composer Amasty username is the public key and the Composer Amasty password is the private key. So in our case, the command would look the following way. Having saved the Composer keys, you may proceed with installing the models.